Hello and welcome back. So I got home from work today and reached in the bucket of locks that I got from West Coast Picks. Pull Dog Challenge lock. This one looks like, well, it's got an arrow key, I can tell you that. It is the Drifter by West Coast Picks. Has an arrow key. Looks like everything needs to be picked there. Looks like got a low one in the bow, well, low one on almost the last one, and then a high one on the last one. So, yeah, pretty good bitting, I guess. Everything needs to be picked. It's a little sticky in the middle there, but overall, not too bad. It's a Spp'd style keyway. Put her in a vise and see what we can do with it. Let's see here. Up just a little bit. There we go. Alright. Make sure that works in the vise, which I'm sure it does. Make sure the tailpiece don't hit. It doesn't. Alright. Let's see. Spp'd 50 thousandths should work in there. And it does. And let's go with my gem. Because, well, that's what I usually use for just about everything anymore. At least I start with it anyway. I'll zoom in for you guys. Hope you get a view of anything I got going on here. That to focus. There we go. And I'll do what I always do. Just start in the back of a lock and pull forward and search for a binder. Oh wow, okay, a little bit on 3. Ooh, hold on, overset. Okay, wow, okay, that was like 4, 3, 2. That was a couple on 5. 3. 2's giving me counter. Oh, deep false set off a 2. Oh, went deeper off a 1 there. Oh, even deeper off a 4. 5, I think it was actually. Oh, okay, I got a click off a 1, but I lost my false set. I think I overset. I'm searching for it. Okay, 3 just gave it back to me a little bit deeper. Oh, 4 and it opened. Alright, yeah, at least I think it's open. Yeah, it is. Alright, let's take this out of the vise and see what West Coast Picks put in this. Let's see, go. We got a screwdriver on the back. So let's square this up a little bit for you guys. Get my pick out of the way. Get my pinning tray out. Alright. And it's got a Phillips head. I can do that. That felt very T-pinish there towards the end. I kept bouncing to see what I was missing. Well, I guess I don't need that anymore anyway. Let's see here. Spp'd. It is a challenge lock. Let me square this up a little bit better for you guys. There we go. That way I can stay in frame. Yeah, there we go. Oof, that's so tight I didn't even want to put a shim in there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, got that shim in there all the way. Let's get these out of the way. And pins are up. There we go. It is a little 5-pinner. There you go. All the key pins are in and working. As you guys can see. Beautiful. I'm not seeing any modifications to the plug. Looks like we got a serrated in 1, a spool in 2, a serrated in 3, a nicely serrated in 4, and a serrated in 5. Again, not seeing anything crazy in the plug. Let's see here in the Bible. We have a shim. Let's get that out of the way. Oop, that first one started to pop out on me. Go ahead and dump him. I saw he was a spool. Actually, he's a serrated spool with a copper spring. Come out of there. And it'll come out. I mangled him a bit. I'll put another copper spring in there for you, man. 2 is a... I'm trying to see if that's a pin-in pin or if that's just a T-pin. That is just a T-pin spool, but a good looking T-pin spool. 3 is a double spool. Awesome. 4 is another like a barrel serrated. And 5 is popping on out of there on me. That's the spring. He is a T-pin spool. Just like that. Let's back up and get these other springs out. That was out of 2. 3. I should just leave 4. And 4. And nothing done up in the Bible either. So, awesome looking pins here, man. Nice serrated pins on the bottom with one spool. Yeah, let's zoom in, give you guys a close-up of these awesome pins by West Coast Picks. Let's see y'all. Alright, come on, focus. Are you gonna focus? Make sure I'm zoomed out all the way. There we go. Got a serrated in 1 for the key pin with a serrated spool as a driver. Had a copper spring that I slightly mangled that I'll replace with another copper spring. Got a spool key pin with a nice looking double spool T-pin. Then we have a serrated in 3 with a double spool. Then a serrated bottom and a barrel serrated in the driver of 4. And in 5 we have a serrated key pin and a T-pin spool in 5. I had steel springs in 2 through 4, and in 5 I had another copper spring. Awesome lock. Thank you very much, West Coast Picks, for sending it to me. Thank you for all the locks, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and well, don't break the law.